Want to boost your immune system naturally? Here are 3 powerful foods you need to include in your diet. Food 1. Citrus fruits. Packed with vitamin C, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits help increase white blood cell production. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or add lemon to your water. Food 2. Garlic. A natural powerhouse, garlic has immune-boosting properties thanks to its high sulfur content. Add it to your soups, stir-fries, and sauces for an extra health kick. Food 3. Spinach. Rich in vitamins A, C, and antioxidants, spinach is perfect for supporting your immune function. Toss it into salads, smoothies, or omelets. Aim to include these foods in your daily meals. Balance them with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables for maximum benefits. Stay healthy and keep your immune system strong. Like and subscribe for more health tips.